Natural fibers are at the heart of building a sustainable textile ecosystem in India. Among them, milkweed stands out as an exceptional option, offering diverse opportunities. The National Jute Board, working alongside the Ministry of Textiles, is fostering the growth of milkweed fiber in India.
निरंतर काम करते हुए हमने ये पाया कि इस फाइबर में बहुत सारी इम्पोर्टेंट प्रॉपर्टीज़ हैं, जिसके कारण ये फाइबर जो है टेक्सटाइल्स में बहुत बड़ा रोल प्ले कर सकता है.
Milkweed fiber is obtained from the stems of the plant and the soft, silky floss surrounding its seeds. The process begins with harvesting the mature pods, after which the fibers are carefully separated from the seeds and plant material. These fibers are then cleaned and combed to remove impurities and short fragments, producing soft, lightweight strands. Further refinement helps align and strengthen the fibers, making them suitable for further processing. During this stage, the fiber passes through several machines, such as the blow room, carding, draw frame, speed frame, rotor machine, ring frame, TFO and winding machines, which help improve fiber uniformity and quality. Finally, the prepared fibers are used for spinning, weaving and blending, enabling their application in textiles, insulation materials and other sustainable products. Processed milkweed fiber supports a broad spectrum of products, from blankets, mattresses, and home textiles to heavy winter wear such as jackets, sleeping bags, gloves, and insulated garments. It can also be used in lightweight apparel, composites, and various technical fabrics. Research and technologies developed at NITRA are being transferred to industry partners, helping scale commercial adoption.
With the guidance of Ministry of Textiles, National Jute Board and NITRA, we are able to incorporate milkweed fiber in our production like sleeping bags, extreme cold climate jackets, gloves, hats and many more products which are meant for extreme cold climate conditions. With the help of this, we are able to create sustainable products as well as creating new market domestically and internationally.
तो मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ टेक्सटाइल्स तो हमारा हमेशा से ही इसमें पूरा सपोर्ट रहा है. इसके अलावा नेशनल जूट बोर्ड ने भी हमारा इसमें काफ़ी हेल्प किया है कहीं इसको फर्दर इस प्रोजेक्ट को बढ़ाने के लिए. इस फाइबर से हम एक इंडिया का अपना एक फाइबर हम पूरे दुनिया में एक तरह से भेज सकते हैं.
Driven by the vision of the Ministry of Textiles and the National Jute Board, milkweed fiber is emerging as a next generation natural fiber for India. With NITRA leading innovation, a sustainable, versatile and eco-friendly textile future is unfolding.